Hey, guys.
Hey!
Look at you guys. You match your house. You're color coordinated.
That's a good thing.
Hello.
Hey. So this is it.
Yeah.
This is it. This is our lovely house.
I'm Jennifer. This is my husband, Mike. We've been married for about 15 years, and we live in Bentonville, Arkansas.
I'm from Melbourne, Australia, and I came over here to the University of Arkansas in 1996. We were both athletes at University of Arkansas.
I played volleyball.
I ran the 5,000 meters. I was lucky enough to be a 9-time All-American and went back to Australia and represented my country in the Sydney Olympics.
We've got 3 kids. Lachlan is 12, Bronwyn is almost 9, and Eliza is 6. We moved in 2016. We love like the kind of open floor plan where we can see the kids.
But with the kids growing up, they kind of need their own space.
We're kind of switching gears. We don't have like the baby toddler stage anymore. We're going into like the tween stage, and I feel like the house just isn't kind of accommodating anymore. All 3 bedrooms are on one side of the house right now. As they're getting older, we would definitely like to kind of separate, mom and dad on one side of the house, keep the kids on the other side.
Let's start with the boring part. How much money do we have to spend on this project?
Our budget is $180,000.
Okay. All right. That's healthy. What do we need to do outside?
Definitely needs paint job done, brighter or darker color. I don't really think that we care either way. It just needs to be a different color than this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
We've got some water that comes down when
Okay.
it rains heavily, and it just hammers that front section of the house.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, this obviously has
Yeah.
been damaged.
Oh, my gosh.
Not really attached.
Oh my gosh.
That's a problem.
It'd be nice to have this come out some to give you better coverage. Let's just start with the living room.
We have this behemoth of a fireplace.
Yes, you do. Well, and it's just so heavy.
It is.
And this
big.
sticks out so far. But you like the idea of having a fireplace.
Yeah.
Just maybe not wood burning, like gas or electric.
Exactly.
Gas or electric,
Yeah.
and maybe make it a little bit more modern.
What about the floors?
Outdated, dark. We would love to see them updated.
So that's the living room. What about
Okay.
here we have this dining? So you've got crafts. I love that.
Painting.
Oh, yeah, I love that.
Play-Doh.
Do you guys like having the kids' stuff here?
No, we would probably like to have it
Just
closed
make
up.
this a dining space.
Yes.
Let's look at the kitchen. Wow, this is a really big space, you guys.
Yeah. So we've got this lovely piece up here.
I feel like if all of this was gone, you could take this kitchen and go
little
out
bit
farther
further.
with it.
Yeah, we would love that.
What would you like to see in here?
Definitely more counter space, like maybe an island.
It is a bit dark in here,
Yeah.
we feel.
Yeah.
Yes.
And so a lighter color would bring out a little bit of that kind of natural light that we
agree.
do get from our
Yeah.
windows.
So the plan for the kitchen is really just updating everything. We'll remove the soffits and bump out the kitchen to give you a lot more usable space in here. New cabinets, new countertops, new lighting, new appliances, an island, and some sort of tea station for your cuppa.
Oh, put the kettle on.
This is the girls' area. It doesn't have heat and air, so we have to bring in space heaters during the winter.
Okay.
And so it's just not really a year-round.
Well, I feel like this space here.
So that's ventilation.
If we're gonna embrace this room as a part of the house, we need to replace all these.
That would be great.
Yeah.
Too. Yeah.
Currently, this is a space that our son and sometimes the girls play video games.
But we would like to kick them out of the area and claim it back from mom and dad. We would like to have this space and this little storage room behind us turn into our main suite.
Okay.
So this is my small business room, but we're ready to move that into like a storage unit and turn this into our main bedroom. We were hoping that you guys might be able to take some of the space from the garage.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tell us more about what you guys are envisioning.
So we would love a walk-in closet, our own bathroom, and walk-in shower.
Can we check out the garage real quick so I can see where we're at there? All right, yeah, that is a big garage.
Yeah.
We could probably take 8 or 9 feet of this, which would give you about 20 feet in the main bedroom too.
So really the plan is to steal some space from this sunroom and
Part of
take
the garage.
some of your garage and create a main bedroom, walk-in closet, and bathroom with vanity and walk-in shower.
We got some figuring to do here, and you
Yes.
guys have some moving to do.
We do, just a
Yeah.
little.
I would offer to
Prepping
help,
for you.
but
But we're gonna walk right out the garage. We're out of here. All right,
All right.
so the fireplace.
I'm gonna be covering this stone up and or removing it.
I think we're gonna just have to break these pieces off,
And the bottom.
remove the hearth, and then modernize it. So I think grab some tools, and then we'll get that fireplace out of here. Now, I don't know what we're gonna be able to save with this stuff.
What's, all right, we're just doing it. Plan is evolving on the fireplace. We need to remove the hearth, get rid of the extra stone, and then we either are gonna cover it with some sort of stucco or a plaster, or maybe some vertical slatted wood treatments. I'm not sure, it could go either way.
There could be 3 or 4 more ors before we're done with that. We really have a lot more question marks with the fireplace than we do answers. The framing is going up. We divided the sunroom in half to create a craft area for the kids and took a piece of the garage for Mom and Dad's new main bedroom. In the front, we're pouring new concrete to give the Powers a bigger and more stable front porch. So we really need to figure out how to extend the roof line. This front porch has given Jenny and I fits.
Joe, come outside with me.
We have not figured out the right way to create an entry for the Power.
So Dave was shooting down all my ideas of bringing out a front porch.
Yeah.
Do you have any ideas, Joe?
What if you just ran some 2x6s from the top and bring them down on top of the roof?
And then it just comes out. It would work, right?
I think it will.
I'm gonna let you propose it to Dave. I bet you he'll say, Joe, that's a great idea.
What we betting?
I'll buy you a beer.
Let me go talk to Dave first.
Okay,
Be right
tell him
back.
to come here. Dave,
Dave!
come out here.
What's up?
Joe wants to talk to you about something. Joe had an idea. He thought he'd wanted to run by you.
Metal post, metal beam, 2x6s on top and running down, just straight down.
So then we bring steel beam across here. If we do steel, we can just do one post then.
Well, and I'm also thinking of painting the house dark now, so then it could tie in with the metal and feel more modern. So you like it?
I think it'll work.
Okay, you guys get to work. I'm gonna run. I gotta get something I owe Joe. I'll be right
Okay.
back.
We got a plan. We can extend that entire porch by simply cutting back the existing porch, and then we'll put new rafters over the top of the roof and make it something that's a lot more inviting and really just a lot more functional.
Oh, good for her. She's pulling in.
You won a bet. It's the end of the day for Joe. You're driving home, Chase. Jennifer and Mike had told us that their girls love to do arts and crafts. They love to sit at the dining table, color. So Dave created this awesome island. The girls can sit at it. They can store all of their craft supplies. Rolls can be spun. It just does it all.
Yeah, so I think, we're kind of creating the space for their boy in the secret room. Then the girls each have their own little prep area. And that, my friends, is it.
Hi, nice to meet you.
I'm Sarah.
Today I'm headed to meet with a local sign company. I want to get a neon sign made for the Powers Son's new gaming room. So I know I sent you a photo, kind of an idea of what I was thinking, but basically one of our homeowners has a son who loves to play video games. I thought it'd be fun to put on the wall a neon, gaming controller.
True neon is 100% made by a person. There's no machine that can replicate it.
You just literally heat it up, blow air in as it's heating, and then you start bending it? Okay.
Once it starts to get good and hot, I'll take it over to the pattern
Okay.
and kind of adjust it to fit.
So now you have that one, and then you just keep going.
We'll just keep going on down the line.
I cannot wait to see how this controller turns out.
And then that comes down. You just bent your first piece of neon.
I think this is gonna be a hit.
Oh my gosh.
It's gonna be so
We
amazing.
haven't driven down this way in so long.
Okay,
Okay.
here we go.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, they're here.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. What?
Wow.
Oh my goodness. Oh my
Crikey,
gosh.
that is amazing.
You got your little porch. Oh my gosh, there's like a water feature. I need a Kleenex already.
It's brilliant.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, you've done a lot. You've done a lot.
You've done a lot. Come over here. Yeah.
Love the porch. Now I can sit out there.
Yeah.
Yes.
And a little water feature.
You like that?
But
I
yeah,
love
this
it.
is beautiful.
We really wanted to go modern out here. I mean, the style of your house just really lends to that. And so that's why we went with the dark color that I think really goes well with the stone.
Definitely.
And then, of course, you have your new front porch. Remember, you had those little steps.
Oh, yeah.
We actually went with steel. We went with all solid wood car siding underneath here. It's safe, it's supported, it's covered.
The color is so perfect.
There's something about that door
Yes.
that I like.
Yeah, nice and modern.
Yeah,
like
I
your
love it.
house.
Yeah, it's gonna bring some light into that
Yes,
hallway. Yes.
exactly, yes.
Oh my gosh, look at the floor. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Wow.
This is like built-ins. I can't.
We have all these built-ins, so you can see.
Yeah.
So you have all this storage.
Go check out the fireplace, though. It's so cool.
You've done wonders
I
with
had
this.
no idea what you were gonna
Wonders.
do with this, and this is not anything on my
Wow.
radar at all.
It kind of looks like old world, like you could find it in like an old house somewhere
Yeah.
in
Yeah.
like Europe, but then you could also find it in Australia.
In the Outback, maybe.
It does, it feels Outback-esque.
Yeah.
Got new flooring, so lighten and brighten. Everything feels
Yeah.
lighter, doesn't
Yes,
it?
It's unbelievable,
Oh my
unbelievable.
gosh.
I know how you were a college athlete
kind
and
of
you were
you.
in the Olympics. I mean, no big deal. So I went ahead and made a little memento, just something pretty that you can keep out all the time, that you can brag about how cool you guys are.
Oh, this is
look
awesome.
at
And the
Thank
short
you.
shorts.
The short shorts.
Oh, yeah, the short shorts.
This is awesome.
Thank you so much. This means a lot.
You're welcome.
There's more of the house to see.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, I might want to cook in here. A little more than chicken nuggets.
Wow.
The color's perfect.
I didn't want anything too crazy for the backsplash or the countertops. Just kind of wanted it to be clean and subtle. And then your cabinets are what pops. Crikey, we need a cuppa. Come over here and you can open that up.
Oh, wow. Jennifer,
So you
look at
got
this.
your little tea cabinet.
Look at how brilliant that is.
Oh my gosh, there's the hot water.
It
Oh,
comes
it's
out
just straight hot water.
steaming hot.
Beautiful.
We're so fancy.
We are
Yeah, you are.
fancy.
It's so charming in here. Like, look how cute.
What a great use of
Oh my
space
gosh,
for these
I
kids.
know.
Just in case the girls are working wherever, like they can take this and you can just move it wherever you want to go.
Stop.
So that,
No.
like, if you have a party or something, it is totally movable. They can move it. It's not going to mess up the floors.
That's ingenious.
Yes,
Love it.
yes, it is.
Gosh, and there's so much storage. So like,
Yes.
everything can have a place.
Oh, yeah. The Aussie flag, front and center in this room.
It is, right when you walk in the front
Yeah.
door, that's the first thing you
Yeah.
notice.
Okay, but there is more of the house to see.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, let's go.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
What? This is insane.
How did this happen?
How did you do this? Gosh, I love the.
Beautiful wood, lighting.
We left just like a natural cedar, so you'll always have like that nice smell. It just adds a little feature.
I feel like it makes the room feel really serene.
We know storage is premium, so we got you a nice closet.
Oh my gosh,
Wow.
Did you hear the echo? That's how big your closet is.
There's an echo in our closet.
Now we have to fill it.
The closet's amazing.
But the bathroom's better.
You guys can go check that out.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Oh, a real shower.
It's a real shower.
We haven't had a real shower in forever.
We had the whole like bathtub shower
real
combo with the
Yes.
shower curtain. Look at the floor.
Beautiful floor.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Isn't it pretty?
It's gorgeous. Light fixture. What?
And you remember we took your son's gaming
We-
space
yes.
away. So we had to give him a space, obviously.
Oh my gosh.
So if you want to just open this little door.
Wow.
Stop it! How did you do that? What?
Oh, yeah, he's gonna go
Oh my
nuts.
gosh! How do you think of these things?
We channeled our 11-year-olds and we were like, they would like to hide in the closet and play video games and eat Cheetos. So there you go.
Pressure's off.
I think they love it.
I think they love it.
Oh my gosh.
What they've given to us, like for years to come, is unbelievable. Like, how do you repay that?
Whoa. Are you ever gonna come out of that room?
No.
No.